Well, welcome to Grand Central Landfill. I'm John Hambros. I'm here today with our Area Vice President, Rafa Carrasco, at our first area-wide rodeo. So welcome, congratulations. Thanks for helping put this together.
Thank you, it's exciting. Congratulations should go to Tony Wright and his team in Grand Central, because it's a fantastic event, and we've got folks from all over the area here, so we're all excited.
Rafa, tell us how today's event weaves in with our safety initiatives and our drive to provide world-class customer service.
Well, the last time I checked, there were 33 drivers participating today from across the entire GMA. These drivers are not only some of our more skilled drivers, but they're also some of our safest drivers. These are drivers that have pristine safety records, that are constantly watching out for each other, that are vocal about hazards, and really kind of build that into the way they interact with their teammates. So, I think at Waste Management, and certainly at GMA, we adopt the policy of, look, if you can't be safe, you can't do anything else. So that's where it starts.
And the first event that the drivers compete in today is the post-trip inspections of their trucks. And how does that factor into both safety and customer service?
Well, I mean, that's a good question, John. Quite frankly, it starts with that, because the safety of the piece of equipment that they have under their care is the most important. And so our technicians do a great job of preparing the trucks, but they don't know where to look if our drivers aren't inspecting the trucks and telling them, where they should be focusing their attention, right? So that's a key element of our safety focus here. We have to be able to inspect the trucks, and we have to be able to pinpoint with great accuracy where there might be some damages to the tires, for example, where there may be bad tire pressure, hydraulic leaks, anything like that. All that has to be taken care of. Otherwise, it just makes the job of the driver that much more difficult.
And Rafa, getting back to the rodeo today, I mean, what a beautiful day. We've got hundreds of people here. How is this building morale and appreciation for our driver skills and just the family spirit of our area?
Yeah, so I got here right around 8 a.m. and there were already at least 50, 70 people here, and they've been trickling. I think by the end of the day, we're expecting to have about 700 people at the event. Drivers, employees, route managers, area leadership staff, all with their families, children. So I think it's important for everybody to kind of build community and know what we're about, and that's what Waste Management stands for. I was talking to I was able to only bring one of my children today, so Cecilia, she's 11, and she was telling me, I didn't realize all this happened in the background, and that it really kind of looks like a community and people are having fun. We can have fun and delight the customer at the same time and be safe.
Great. Rafa, this is the Pandora's box question. Just what would you pass along to the GMA, the people who aren't here today, or to others outside in the company and elsewhere who just want to know about what we're about up here and what we have going on?
Well, I've had the fortune in the short time that I've been with the company, which is now I think going on 14, 15 months, to visit a lot of different places, and I actually had a great experience in Eastern Canada with the folks there. And I think it's just part of the same spirit, right? I mean, folks are friendly, folks take safety seriously, folks take the customer seriously, but we're a lot of people, and so sometimes it takes a lot of work to maintain that focus. And there's a lot of people in the GMA. I think my last count is somewhere in the neighborhood of 2,700.
Right.
And so that's a lot of people to maintain, all focused on the same agenda, right? And our agenda and our message has to be very clear: safety first, delight the customer, right? Continuous improvement, differentiation. Right? People here represent that and are eager to do more, so I'm excited about being a part of it.
Well, that's great, and boy, what differentiates us more than having this rodeo today, where we're highlighting our drivers and their terrific skill and experience.
You said it.
Awesome.
No rabbit here tonight with it.
I can't see that back. All right, guys. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you.